Want to know how to add proxies in the MoreLogin browser? I'll show you how. First, get your Decodo proxy details. You can use any proxy type, but today I'll use residential proxies. Head to the Decodo dashboard, and in the left side menu, choose Residential. If you don't have any users, select Create User. Enter your desired username and hit Add. The password will be generated for you. Next, choose your proxy user, location, session type, and proxy protocol. Below you'll find the generated endpoints. Copy them. Now you can add proxies in two ways: directly to a browser profile or as a proxy list. Let's start with the browser profile method. Open the MoreLogin app and click New Profile. Then choose Advanced Create and adjust your browser settings with preferred parameters. When you're ready, go to the Proxies section and select New Proxy. Choose the preferred proxy protocol, and in the proxy server box, enter the endpoint and port. Then, enter your username and password in the respective fields below. Save by clicking Confirm. To test your proxies, start your browser profile. If your proxies are working, you'll see your proxy details with a new IP address. Next, let's learn how to add proxies individually. On the main page, click on Proxies, then Add Proxy. To add a single endpoint, click Add Individual. Now, from the drop-down menu, choose your proxy protocol. Paste proxy details in the respective fields. Then, enter your credentials. Click on the Proxy Detection button to test your proxies. When a green check mark appears, click Confirm. You may also add proxies in batches. In the Proxies tab, click Add Proxy and select Batch Add. Then, return to the Decodo dashboard. In the endpoint generator, adjust the number of endpoints you want to see. Click on the export icon and copy. Back in the MoreLogin app, paste them and check your proxies by clicking Proxy Detection. In the table below, you'll be able to see the status of each proxy endpoint. Save the batch by clicking Confirm. To use these proxies for your browser profile, create a new profile, and in the Proxies section, choose Use Existing Proxy. And just like that, you've completed the proxy setup in MoreLogin. Want to start anonymous browsing right away? Get Decodo Proxies today with the link in the description. For more helpful guides, visit the Decodo YouTube channel and documentation.